Hi everyone, on behalf of 9th SEM I welcome you all. This is Manish Patnaik, industry expert in 9th SEM. Wire and cables play an important part in our surroundings. A cable is two or more wires running side by side and bonded, twisted or braided together to form a single assembly. In mechanics, cables, otherwise known as wire ropes, are used for lifting, hauling and towing or conveying force through tension. In electrical engineering, cables used to carry electrical currents. An optical cable contains one or more optical fibers in a protective jacket that supports the fibers. In this session, we will be having a complete understanding about the electrical wire. As a designer, for any project, you are having the solo responsibility of selecting the correct wire with its right composition. Some factors that will affect your choice of electrical wiring include the color, the label information and applications. The information printed on the wire covering is all that you need to choose to correct the wire for your home and industrial application. So the various features of electrical wire which will help you choose the correction composition are like the size of wires, wire lettering, type of wires, color codes, the wire gauge, ampacity and the wattage load. Let's get into the detailed explanation of all these terms. Like the first one was the size of wires. Each application requires a certain wire size for installation and the right size for a specific application is determined by the wire gauge. The second is wire lettering. The letters like THHN, THWN, THW and XHHN represent the main insulation types of individual wires. All of you just remember the terms THHN because we are going to use these terms throughout the session. Where T stands for thermoplastic insulation, H for heat resistance, HH for high heat resistance which can be up to, you can say 194 degree Fahrenheit. W stands for suitable for wet location, N for nylon coating resistant to damage by oil or gas, X for synthetic polymer that is flame resistant. So talking about the type of wires, there are mainly 5 type of wire. First is triplex wire, second is main feeder wire, third is panel feed wires, fourth is non-metallic sheathed wire and the fifth is single strand wires. Talking about the color codes, different color wires serve different purposes. Like the black color wire black color wire is used for hot wire, for switches or outlets. Red color wire is used for hot wire, for switch legs, also for connecting wire between two hardwired smoke detectors or fire detectors. Blue and yellow color wires, they are basically hot wire, they are used in hot wires application, pulled in conduit. Blue wire is used for 3-4 way switch application and yellow for switch legs to control fan, lights, etc. White color wire is always neutral. Green and bare copper, they are always used for grounding purposes. So the finally is wire gauge, ampacity and wattage load. To determine the correct wire, it is important to understand what ampacity and wattage a wire can carry per gauge. Wire gauge is the size of the wire, ampacity is how much electricity can flow through the wire and the wattage is the load of a wire that it can take, which is always mentioned on the appliance. So furthermore, if having any doubt regarding the session, feel free to ask in the comment section. Signing off, have a nice day.